Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is a Tennant T300 20-inch auto scrubber. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment and also help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. So you need to replace your recovery tank drain hose. Here's how you do it. Start by go ahead and dropping your drain hose like that, and then opening up your machine. Okay, now with your recovery tank lid open, you're gonna have a hose clamp right here. You need to loosen this hose clamp up. So just take a flathead screwdriver and loosen the hose clamp. Now what we can do is we can remove it from the machine. Now all we have to do is feed it back down through the battery compartment. It'll automatically want to go back down, and then push it out the bottom end of your machine. Now take your new drain hose, feed it up through the bottom into the battery compartment. Come back up. Now you need to put your hose clamp back on because we're going to tighten that sucker down and reattach it to the machine. And then tighten your hose clamp. Now that that's done, go ahead and take your cap and put it back right in its rightful spot right there, hook it to the machine, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watched, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.